A swimmer can swim with a velocity of 10 km/h in still water. If the river flows at a steady speed of 5 km/h, in what direction should he swim to reach the point just opposite on the other bank? So this is the river. Imagine the person want to reach on the opposite side. If he start swimming straight opposite point towards a straight opposite point, he will not be able to reach that point because the river is flowing in one direction. The swimmer will be carried away so that he will reach some distance right or left as per the flow of the river from the straight path. So if the river is flowing right from left to right, if he swims straight towards the opposite point, he will not be able to reach here, he will be reaching somewhere here. So keeping the river flow in mind, he has to swim at a different direction so that the river finally take him to the just opposite point. So if the final direction expected is straight opposite bank, you cannot go in that direction. You must try to swim in this particular direction so that the river speed from left to right will take you finally to the just opposite bank. So this is the direction the person is expected to swim so that the resultant of his speed, swimming speed, and the river speed, the velocity, these two will give the resultant velocity straight opposite. So this is the calculation he has to do before swimming. So now this angle is what to be calculated. So we know the opposite side of the triangle, that is the velocity of the river. The velocity of the river is given as 5 km/h. The hypotenuse already we know, that's a swimmer velocity, that is 10 km/h. Opposite side and hypotenuse go for sine alpha. 5 km/h by 10 km/h, that is 1/2. So check which angle sine gives you 1/2. Sine 30 is 1/2. So alpha is equal to sine inverse 1/2. So the angle alpha comes for sine 1/2 is 30 degree. So the answer can be, the person has to swim 30 degree from the direction of opposite point, or you can say the river is flowing to the right. Here or here it's flowing to the right. So this is already 90 degree. So total angle he has to swim is 120 degree from the direction of the river flow. So the person has to swim at an angle 30 degree from the direction of straight opposite point, or 120 degree, 90 plus 30 from the direction of the river flow. This is the river flow. So this is swimmer, that should be 90 plus 30, 120 degree away from the direction of the river flow.